I live in the social media world. I've been on a marketing agency for 7 years now and helping brands get their message out in front of more people. That's what we do. We reach billions of people. We reach like millions of subscribers across the board. And the ones I can tell you from the people that have succeeded, including myself, I mean, if you look around here in this building, it can show that I have succeeded, right? To a certain degree. I have succeeded. I built an organization that has now 117 staff. I have another company on the corner of this building that has 150 staff. I've succeeded. There's one formula that Denise just described right now that I'm gonna put it in 3 words for you. 3 words, that's it. And this is the one thing that you gotta understand. When people talk about, I gotta be myself, or like, I don't know how to be myself, or like, that's the way to succeed is to be myself. How can you put that into a formula? And I'm gonna put it down in 3 words. Value plus sincerity equals success. So that is being yourself. In the social media world, people can talk about like, oh, you wanna be yourself? Or just talk about how your dogs, and how much you love them, and how cute you are, and how awesome your kids are, and how they're dressed, and your Christmas decoration. Is that really valuable?
Right.
Not necessarily. You might be sincere, but you're missing that part of the formula, which is, where's the value? When you reverse engineer Denise Duff, when you reverse engineer Manuel, Frank Suarez, all these guys, you're gonna see that same formula being applied. They're being sincere, which means they're being themselves, but they're giving value. And those 2 things combined, if you have a brand, skyrocket right there. And that's how you win in this game of social media, because in the social media game, if you go after just selling your stuff, promoting your offers and your products, there's just too much competition out there. There's just too much. You're not standing out. There's another, who knows how many millions of beauty brands. How has she succeeded? There's many millions of marketing agencies. How have I succeeded? Because I have given more value than my competitors. My obsession is, can I give more value than them every single day? Not because I want to compete, because I don't even study what they have going on, just because I believe the formula is powerful. I'm gonna give as much value as I possibly can without expecting people to buy stuff from me. I'm not gonna feel entitled over their money. No entitlement. Simply just give value and be sincere while you're doing that, and you see expansion and you see success.